I fell into the hype. I'm going to be trying the Heatless Curl Roller Band. I think that's what we're calling it. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Traylene Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, I fell for all the hype and I'm trying out the Heatless Curling Roller. Okay, I'm gonna try this out on my hair. I just recently received a silk press and it's still giving, but I want to give my hair a little bit of wave, so I'm going to try it on my hair that's already been straightened to see how much bounce and everything that I'm going to get. So this is what it is looking like. This is how it comes. I actually got this from Amazon. I wanted to get one from, I forget it's a black woman owned company, because you know that's what we want to do. We want to support our black girls, but they were sold out and I couldn't wait. So I went to Amazon and I grabbed this one. I'm still gonna go and buy the other one from the other site because they have two colors. They have like a black and a pink. So when the pink one comes in stock, if I really like this, I'm just gonna go and buy it. Right, I got this from Amazon. This is what it looks like. This is how it comes. It actually comes with scrunchies, 4 scrunchies, 2 velvet ones, and then 2 kind of satin looking ones. In addition to the scrunchies, you get this large curling thing and a hair clip. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try this out, y'all. Pray for me. So we're gonna see. All right, let's go. All right, so I'm just going to start out preparing my hair, and I'm just going to be detangling and brushing my hair using the TD Curl Cuts and Curl Kit Detangler Brush, and separating my hair in the 2 sections, preparing it for the roller. Using just a little bit of that serum and putting it on both sides of my hair so I will have a little bit of shine when using the roller. Working in that serum, rubbing it all through my hair, and then following it up with that brush to make sure my hair is evenly distributed with the serum. So now taking that heatless curler, we got the clip right here that came with it. I'm just going to be applying it at the top of my hair, and then just taking that clip and clipping it there to hold it in place. Making sure it's positioned in the spot that I need. I think I want to move it up just a little bit more, and just making sure it's perfect the way I want it. All right, so here goes. Before I get started, I wanted to separate the 2 sections. So I'm just going to clip this side of my hair out of the way to prevent, any hair coming on the other side of the roller. So I'm just taking small sections at the beginning of my hair and just starting to wrap it around the roller. And when I'm wrapping it around the roller, I'm going to be taking small sections from the hair that's hanging and just adding it to the existing hair. Let me show you. I can probably show it better than I can explain it. So just taking that hair and pulling it around that roller, taking some more hair from the hair that's hanging and just adding it to the existing hair and rolling that around, and then repeating that same process all the way down the roller. While rolling my hair down the roller, I wanted to make sure that I was smoothing my hair as I go and just pulling that hair taut around the roller, making sure that it's going to get the shape that I actually want. So continuing to add that hair from a hair that's hanging onto the roller, I found my rhythm with it. At first, it was a little tricky, just making sure my hair didn't get all tangled up into the other sections that I didn't need it to be, like that piece of hair right there. Yeah, just in the way. But after I found my rhythm, it was pretty easy to do. So I just I continue to wrap the hair all around the roller until I get to the ends. down to the last few sections of my hair, continuing to roll the hair around the roller. Since my hair is pretty straight, I was just trying to figure out how I was going to roll my hair all around the roller. As you can see, I'm just holding it taut and trying to roll it around. And then I'm going to grab the scrunchie to kind of hold it in place. So I'm taking that silk scrunchie and just, oh, look at that. See, my hair is super straight, so it's not going around the roller like I had thought. But anyway, I'm going to use that scrunchie to hopefully hold it in place. So I'm taking that scrunchie and just wrapping it around the ends of my hair. And like I said, see how my hair is kind of like sticking out at the ends? See, nobody told me this, but I'm just trying to use that scrunchie to hold my hair around. Oh my God, look at that. Ah! We're going to make it work, y'all. We're just going to tuck that in the scrunchie and wrap it around the roller, okay? So that's just it. That's what we're going to do, okay? Okay, the hair is sticking out a little bit at the ends, but whatever. We're moving forward, and we're going to be great with this whole little roller situation. So I'm just going to tuck that in under the scrunchie and praying for a good outcome. So now I'm just moving on to the other sides of my hair and just repeating that same process, taking small sections of the hair and pulling it taut and just wrapping it around the roller. Okay, so y'all, this is what I got. This is all I got. I'm gonna take the two in the back and I'm gonna tie it up, put it like this. I'm taking this off. So, all right guys, so this is what it is looking like. So that it doesn't move, I'm going to put a scarf on it, my satin scarf. And I'm gonna wear it like this overnight, and we'll come back and see how it looks. Okay guys, I am back. It is next morning. I slept all night with the roller in my hair. Just something to note, it was very comfortable to sleep in. I didn't have any issues or anything like that. So yeah, let's do the big reveal. All right, let's go. So it stayed and put all night. This is what we're giving. One thing I did notice is that it felt like it was sliding back, but it could have just been me. But yeah, I'm gonna take this, so like I had it. So, take this and unravel it, and this is what we're doing. That's what we're looking like. So I'm gonna take this scrunchie. I did have a problem with my ends, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it was not flowing like it was in my mind. Ah! Okay, that's done. Alright, let's take it off. I think that was just probably me using error. I did not wrap my hair around. But okay, nonetheless, let's move it on. Let's go. Take this one off. Here. Okay. All right. Okay. So I guess you can probably slide it like, you slide it down like that, I guess. this. Okay. All right. Let's see what kind of waves I'm getting. Very beachy waves. Okay. Huh. Very beach-like waves. Okay, so these are the results of the curler. You know, it's giving me very beachy waves vibes, which is cute. Okay, so this is on my suppressed natural hair. How it's gonna react on my regular, like, not flat iron hair, I do not know, but overall I like the results. I don't know how long it's gonna last throughout the day, but we will see. Will I try it again? Yes. It's a nice, quick, easy way to get you some bouncy curls without adding heat to your hair. So, I mean, it's not bad. I like it. One thing I will do though, I will wrap my ends a little bit better because it didn't make a big difference, but like on this side, it's a little bit looser than this side, but it's fun. I like how imperfect it looks. It looks very like on purpose. So yeah, I'm loving the bouncy waves. All right, guys, that is my full demo of the heatless roller thing. I'll be sure to link this item down below. Like I said, I think I'm gonna go get the Go Sleek one as well, so I'll link both of those down below in the description box. And yeah, let me know, have you tried this before? Have you tried this on your natural hair, and is it working? Is it a good alternative for you? I think it might be a good alternative for me moving forward. But yeah, all right guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, ciao.